Hello, this is Abhishek Kumar from FlickDude, and today in this video I will show you how you can install a window within a current window. For example, if you are running a Windows 11 and if you want to install Windows 10 or Ubuntu, Kali Linux, any other operating system within the current operating system. So I am going to show you how you can do this using a VirtualBox. So let's start. So this is a VirtualBox. Using this software you can create a virtual window that is going to run within this VirtualBox. To create a new window you need an ISO file of that operating system that you want to install, and if you are having the ISO file, let's begin. You have to click on new, then it's going to ask you the Windows name. Let's see, W11. So it's going for Windows 11, and you have to choose the machine folder. It means location where your this operating system is going to be stored. You can choose any location that have enough space like 80 gigabyte or 100 gigabyte. That is enough for running any operating system. So local disk in my case, then click on next. Then you have to allocate the memory to run this virtual machine. I had allocated 4 gigabyte in my case. Click on next, then you can click on create, then just leave it as usual. You have to choose the virtual space for that ISO file. Click on next, then you have to allocate the storage for that operating system. You can allocate 100 gigabyte. Click on create, then you have to choose the location of the ISO file. Click on storage, then click on empty, and then you have to choose the ISO file of that operating system. Click on open, click on OK, and you all set. If you will face any issue after the installation of the ISO file, like network regarding anything, so you can change from NAT to the bridge adapter, so that will work for you. Click on OK, and if you are running something error like this, let me show you. If you have faced any type of issue like this, you have to just close this power of the machine, then you have to go to the system, then you have to disable this option, enable EFI. Click on OK. Now you are all set. Click on start. As you can see, you are good to go. Now the window installation setup will start as usual, and you have to just follow the installation process. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Have a nice day.